few months ago, someone sent me an Amazon business that was for sale for about $500,000. They sell posters exclusively. They sell posters on Amazon. Now, they're selling FBA posters, but my guess is before they started listing their posters as FBA, and by the way, when you list as FBA, that means they're not doing it printing on demand. They are printing them ahead of time, shipping them into Amazon, where Amazon will store them, and then following a sale, they will pick, pack, and ship it. That's how you get the Prime checkmark. But prior to doing FBA, they probably sold them as FBM, fulfilled by merchant, which is like what we do, most of us, where we use a fulfillment partner like Awkward Styles to fulfill our orders after they come through. This way we can focus on scaling our business. We can focus on product research, listing optimization, all that good stuff. And when we make sales, we don't have to get bogged down with actually printing and shipping the product. So in this video, I want to show you the shop that was, I don't know if it's sold, honestly, so my bad, and my bad if you're the person who bought it too, because now I'm blowing up your spot, but I want to show you this brand and show you some of their work. I actually took a bunch of notes. I just did basically a deep dive on what's working for them. I'll share that with you in the description. Then I want to show you how we can use Awkward Styles to create and ship these posters for us after we start selling them on Amazon. So that's all going to be covered in this video. Let's get started. So the brand is Honeykick on Amazon. And again, I put together like a really small case study, completely free. It's linked in the description if you want to kind of follow along or just save a copy so that you have notes so you can get started selling wall art. You can see here, they've got a lot of like motivational designs, classroom designs, positive like affirmation designs, growth mindset, hang in there, kind of a funny, positive meme thing. There was one that I thought was really funny. Where is it? Right here. And notice this one has 133 reviews. It is the bathroom word search poster. So I guess you could put this on the back of like a bathroom stall. It says, "Forgot your phone? Play bathroom word search." Pretty funny, right? I went ahead and actually just like clicked one of them just to get some inspiration on like how you might approach designing one of these if you wanted to make your own. This one is 7 Rules of Life motivational poster. By the way, the size 11 by 14. Now, because they sell FBA posters, they probably just picked one size to keep things simple. But if we're doing FBM, we can actually post them in multiple sizes. We're not just locked in at 11 by 14 inches. And if you actually go to Awkward Styles and look at their vertical map poster, and of course, I'll link you to this in the description, they have just a ton of different sizes. I mean, you see this behind me here? They've got, I don't even know, that's probably like over 30 different sizes if I had to guess. So you're not locked into just one size, but if you needed to start somewhere, 11 by 14 is not a bad place to start. And you can actually see this review, or this product right here, the 7 Rules of Life, has 6,417 reviews. They are absolutely killing it with this one. All right, so you see, in terms of design, like I was thinking, how would I go about starting my poster business? That's what I want to share with you in this short video. Now, of course, it's not a long enough video to go in depth, but I made this design right here from scratch behind me. I used the Edmund font from Creative Fabrica. I can go ahead and link that in the description in case you guys want a nice, easy, distressed font. You can see here, and I just made it up. It says daily motivation. Never forget that you... Wait, it was supposed to say you are good enough, but of course you can see how quickly I made this. I forgot to put are good enough, so that you are good enough and that you can do anything you set your mind to. And then I just found like a little ornate kind of PNG design. You can find those on Creative Fabrica as well to make it kind of look a little bit nicer at the top and the bottom there. Of course, when it comes to designs, guys, you can also go to Creative Fabrica. They have like pre-made designs optimized for specifically posters. These are just a few that I wanted to share. And Kittle also has poster templates. You can literally go to Kittle, scroll up to the top, and here I had already actually pre-selected posters. But if we go back to the homepage, look up here at the top, you can see right here, posters, click that, and it loads only poster templates, and there are just a ton, probably hundreds, guys. And it actually sorts it by what's trending right now. You can see right here, I'm pointing to it over my shoulder. So I chose this one just to use as a demo. And what I wanted to show you guys in terms of design is that behind me, so I'll actually hide myself from the video real quick. In the bottom right corner, it says Project Colors. And I actually changed the color palette that this came with by default because I didn't like it. You know what I'm saying? So what you can do is actually click and hover over the different color palettes, and it'll preview what it looks like with that color palette applied. This one doesn't look that bad either. The one that I went with was called Retro Toy. And I went ahead and I downloaded this. But by the way, when you download off Kittle, guys, number one, key in the size that you want. So I changed the units from pixels to inches. I put width 11, and then it keeps the aspect ratio. So it changed the height to 13.75, which is perfect because we're going for 11 by 14. Last thing, change the DPI to 300, and then download PNG format. So next, let's jump on over to Awkward Styles. We're going to use the vertical matte poster. The price actually changes based on which one of these, 30 plus sizes, dimensions, we actually print on. And of course, in the reference, the free resource I put together for you in the description, you'll find the pricing. I believe it's going to be about $6.40 if we use Awkward Styles Pro for fulfillment, which you can get 2 months for free if you use code RyanHogue when you create your free account. All of that is linked at the very top of the description, guys. So when you go ahead and say, let's design, you just click this button right here. It'll take you to the mockup generator. Now, I actually already preloaded our Kittle design right here. And you can see right there in the mockup how it's going to look. You can go ahead and just take that straight on over to Amazon and use it as a primary thumbnail. And then honestly, the way I would do this is I would upload this product to my Shopify store. And from there, I can use either SaidCommerce or Kittle to push my products to Amazon Seller Central and keep the automated fulfillment from Awkward Styles, where we get the best print quality and we get the best pricing. So here's our design from Kittle. I also loaded up my design that I made in Photoshop as well. Once you place it, you can go ahead and resize it. It looks like I should have increased the DPI when I saved this file, so that was my mistake. It'll let you know in the top left corner over there in the layer where you place your design. Also, they do have a text tool as well, so if you needed to add any text, just go ahead and click add text and it can go ahead and add that text layer to your design as well. Now, coming back to this best-selling poster from Honeykick, it's always nice to just kind of take a closer look at what they're doing really well. So it's not just that they've got, great niches and great content as well, like in their posters, which I'm sure have great print quality like ours will as well. But check out their other images. Something like this, I immediately saw and thought, okay, we can go to maybe Vexels. If you guys didn't know, Vexels has like all Creative Commons, 0 license photographs and, different images that basically, if you're on Vexels.com, you have the rights to use these commercially, so you don't have to worry about that and worry about infringing. That's why I love this website. So you could probably find somebody holding something that you could then maybe place your design onto here. If you can't find it, by the way, you can check out a place like Placeit. Placeit specializes, they do more than just mockups, but they really are the go-to place for mockups on the internet. And of course, they have a whole section dedicated to posters as well. So I'll drop a link to Placeit. Beyond that, guys, Kittle, this is honestly the app that's probably the easiest to push your products from Shopify to Amazon Seller Central to maintain the automated fulfillment from Awkward Styles. I'll drop a link to my tutorial video that I did for Awkward Styles to Shopify to Amazon Seller Central. But also, instead of using SaidCommerce, which I recommended in that video, you'll probably want to check out Kittle, but I'll link to that in the description. Don't forget, guys, I know a lot of links in the description, but because I didn't want to make an hour-long video on how to do this, I wanted to show you that there are people that are successful out here selling just posters on Amazon. As you would imagine, everybody loves posters, and Amazon is, the worldwide marketplace where, it's the biggest e-commerce marketplace in the world. So why not start today? You know what I mean? If you're struggling with selling t-shirts or coffee mugs or whatever it is, how about a quick pivot to posters? I gave you multiple ways you can design it yourself. You can go ahead to Kittle. You can use these templates. You can use them as is or easily click in and customize them. You know what I mean? You just click in and change the text around. I showed you how you can change the color palettes as well. Go ahead, download them, load them up into Awkward Styles, and it's that easy, guys. So check it out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I'd be happy to help. What are your thoughts on selling posters? Clearly, though, I wanted to give you some motivation. It's not theoretical. That Honeykick brand is killing it. And one thing to learn from them before I leave, all right, this is the last thought of this video. We scrolled through a bunch of their products, okay? And you can find a link to their shop in the document that I made for everybody. They really have a couple products doing the majority of the legwork, the majority of the sales. This product right here for gamers only has 1 review, okay? So I just wanted to point that out. Don't be discouraged if you don't get a huge win right away. Eventually, if you stick to it, you'll have your big winners and you'll have your, designs that are making 1 sale a month. Collectively, they form a successful print-on-demand business. That's what I want to leave you with, guys. So check out Awkward Styles, guys. Get your print-on-demand business, your poster business going today. Hit that like button and subscribe on your way out, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.